Good morning, I am Lovely Grace F. Sampaga. So for today's vlog, I will give you some ways on how to survive when earthquake strikes on our place. But before that, what exactly an earthquake? An earthquake is the result of sudden release of stored energy in the Earth's crust and create seismic waves. At the Earth's surface, earthquakes may manifest themselves by a shaking or displacement of the ground. Sometimes they cause tsunamis, which may lead to loss of life and destruction of property. Here are some ways on how you survive when earthquake strikes on our place. The first one is the drop, a second, cover, the third one is hold. Drop down onto your hands and knees immediately. Cover your head and neck underneath a study table or desk, and your entire body if possible. Hold on to your shelter until the shaking stops.